Good morning, Stephanie Kemmerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for September 11th, 2019. So we are going to start with the SPY, which already is running out of the gate and went above my bullish above level. I did post that out as a notification on the Dark Pool app early on because it looked like it was gonna run. This is so big, you guys. This is the biggest Dark Pool level that we've had in a long time. It's actually a combination of 2 days. Yeah, 6.5 million, and then I think we had like a 5 million day yesterday, right around 298.11. So that's why that is such a powerful level. So yeah, if we can stay above that, that's bullish. However, if we close below it, yeah, you definitely want to put on some protection. Okay, so right now we're above it. Everything looks great. Let's see, we rallied up to 298.80, almost hit that first target. Yeah, watch this 75 level on the way up. There really is nothing in front of us as far as moving averages. So bearish up below 297.25. Let's go to the E-minis. And before we go along here, just want to make mention, and I know I say it a lot, but I don't think I say it enough, because there's always traders that are asking me questions on the push notifications that I'm sending out all day. Those are new, fresh prints. And we need them to marinate for a couple days. Don't just jump on them the day it comes out. It usually splashes in the wrong direction. Trade these whispers that I'm giving you. I'm giving you entries. I'm giving you targets. You need those things when you're trading. So just trade the whispers. All right. If you're in Apple and a big print comes out, then yeah, absolutely watch that. That's going to determine whether or not you may want to sell your position or hold on to your position if it's buying and you're long. So just give those guys time. So we're going to be bullish above 29.88 for the E-minis and bearish below 29.75. Let's go to the Russell. Bullish above 154.50. And we just went above that right now. Now look on the daily chart. This is cool. We're hitting the VWAP. Yeah, the daily VWAP. And why? Because most of the volume during the year has happened at this spot right here. Yep. So that's pretty cool. Yep. If we can stay above that and close above that, that'll be strong. So bullish above 154.50. I do have a high-end target, Pitters, at 157.84. So, yep, if we do start to move up, that is going to be our high-end target, okay? Bearish below 153.80 for a retracement trade. Yeah, a lot of times we may retrace off that VWAP. So be prepared. Yep, and we are far away from the 4 EMA, which a lot of times we see we want to retrace back down every time we move far away. So there is that retracement trade. So really key to watch that today. Let's go to the QQQs. Bullish above 191. And bearish below 190. Yeah, so this will be awesome trade today. Yeah, I like the setup. There's really nothing in front of us. And Apple, which I'm going to go over in a little bit. This is a great whisper yesterday on both sides. Yeah, and I'll be going over this, but this is definitely one to watch today. Yeah, really great volume. And let's just go to the NASDAQ futures first. NASDAQ, we're going to be bullish above 78.25. We've already gone above that. Bearish below 77.87. And I did send out a notification at 7:24 on that as we were approaching that level. Let's go to the Dow futures. Bullish above 26,950. This is a really key level. You can see, yep, that it's a brick wall right now. Yeah, it needs to close strong on a 5-minute chart. Yeah, whenever you have a wick at the top, sellers came in. So on those $50 levels, those are really, really big for the Dow. Bearish below 26,830. I'm sorry, wait, is it 837? No, yeah, it's 837. Yep, that's ways down. All right, so let's go to the oil futures. Oil was one of our best trades this week. Love oil. A lot of us were in all different oil stocks. I know many of my traders rocked Rig, Schlumberger, just a whole bunch of oil stocks. But look at the oil futures. We're really strong here, you guys. We are, hold on, let me just go to the weekly chart. Yep. So what happened yesterday was very popular pattern. Yeah, we were in a wedge. We broke out of the wedge. Then we pulled back, and now we're moving back up again. Yeah, that usually has a pretty big move. So today we are going to be bullish above 58.30, and I'll be bearish below 57.75 for the oil futures. But you know, watch them. You don't have to trade oil futures. You can absolutely trade oil stocks. Let's go to the gold. This was a great trade on the short side for me yesterday. How many of you shorted gold yesterday? It was a great short. GLD came all the way down to that 140 level. Really close. Yep, look at that. 140 and almost a teeny. And then bounced. Yeah, that's why I covered those 139 puts. Yep, if we break though below 140, yep, watch that for the next trade down to the 50 simple moving average. We were discussing actually GDX. We have 3 black crows. Yeah, that's a bearish pattern, by the way. Very unusual. Yeah, 3 red candles moving down. But 27.50. Really key. We tested it yesterday, popped up. If we break, you know what? I don't think I put this on the whisper, but I should. In fact, hold on a minute. Let me put it on right now. Just have to have a bullish above level and a bearish below. And it's going to be 27.50. Target 27.25, 27.12, and 27. And I'll just check out the pivots in just a moment. But bullish above 28.20 for a retracement trade up to the 8. So here's my bull trade, would be right here, and this is my bearish trade. You can see the bearish trade has a lot more room, right? But we could, you know, move back in that zone again. So it's just good to be prepared to take a small trade. I'd rather take the bigger trade, but we can't always get what we want. So 28.20, 28.37, and 28.50. And I'm just going to put retracement to the 8 if that happens. Nothing like adding a whisper live. Just bold these guys, and I will go over the gold futures, but I just realized I forgot to give you a gold stock. That's how I'm going to be trading it today. Yeah, so I'll be watching those levels, but let's go over the gold futures. Gold futures bullish above 15.05, and that's that same trade I just mapped out for you on GDX, by the way. Oops, ooh, I didn't mean to do that. No, wait, hold on a second. Oh no, live. Okay, sorry about that. Now we all know what time it is. Okay, so we have this trade right here. Yeah, that's the same trade I just mapped out for you guys on GDX. So For gold futures, bullish above 1505 and going to about 1515 area. Now these guys move. These are moving averages. The 4 and the 8 EMA do move throughout the day. So even though I'm writing it in my whisper as a specific level, the reason I'm telling you retracement to the 8 EMA is because wherever that is, that's you want to get out before that. Okay, it's going to be a brick wall, or if it's coming down to it, you get out of your short and so forth. The 4 and the 8 EMA move. The pivots do not move. Those are always those same levels, but the moving averages do move, okay? So I'm going to be bearish below 14.95, and there's that trade down to the 50 simple moving average. All right, let's move on to the stocks. MU, we're going to be bullish above 50.50. We have this really nice doji right now, so bullish above 50.50 and bearish below 50. Retracement trade down to the 4 EMA. Also, it's the pivot, which makes it really strong. Roku, my traders rocked this yesterday. Holy cow, off that massive print we had. It's not every day we get a big print on Roku, so that was key. Now what? Well, I have these trend lines right here, right? So we're going to be bullish above 148 for a retracement trade, okay? Back to where these moving averages, wherever they are, brick wall. Bearish below 145. If we do come down again and break below this trend line, yep, that's going to be bearish. Let's go to ZS. This one had, oops, earnings. And got killed. Yeah, Zscaler down. Obviously, this is, yeah, looking pretty ugly. But is it going to be a drop and pop or a drop and drop lower? So we're going to be bullish above 151. Wanted to give it a little bit more room than the 50 level. And then I'm going to be bearish below 47.50. Yeah, because this could get even uglier. If we look at the weekly chart, we are sitting on this 200 simple moving average, as you can see. And let me just draw a trend line here. Yeah, pretty much right there. But we could move down to this lower trend line at about 45. So I really do like this trade setup below 47.50 down to 45. And of course, if we can't hold that, we could even go to 40. Again, we'll just trade it level to level. Yep. Watching the price action, seeing if any big guys are coming in. I did see a seller at 50. He's still there, not huge, but he's there. Let me just look and see if anybody new popped up. Nope. Pretty quiet. All right, let's go back to Apple. We're going to be bullish above 217.50. We're there right now. You can see up, that guy was right on that bid. Yep, see that? Here he is, 217 Arcabuck. Yeah, and watch and see if he's refreshing there on the bid, guys. Yep, that'll be really key. I like to watch that before I jump in. Bearish below 216. Okay, 216.25 for Apple. TLT, bullish above 141.60. This has been a great short. I know Keith has been rocking this in the Java pit on the short side, below those big prints at the top. Awesome job. I do have a low-end target still at 139.11 Java pitters. You know why. That's a really key level. But bullish above 141.60 and bearish below 140.80. We are approaching that right now. Let's go to AT&T. Yeah, this is a great retracement trade. Yesterday was an inside day. Today, oh, popping out AT&T. Yeah, this is an animal. We're going to be bullish above 38.20. And we are going to be bearish for a retracement to the pivot. 37.75 is our key level. Yeah, for retracement. Whenever we're high up in the air like this, yeah, we're usually going to, again, gap and go or pop and drop down to support. So Bank of America. We had tons of prints on X. Let me just go to XLF. It doesn't have a lot of volume this morning. Tons of prints yesterday between 27.80 and 27.99. Massive. We have this long-legged doji, which is one of my least favorite patterns on candles. Just gives such a long range. I like a short, fat doji. Much easier with a lot of volume to trade on. But this one, we're going to be bullish. I'll just go to Bank of America because that has volume this morning. But watch those levels on XLF though. Bullish above 29.37. And we have bearish below 29.12 for retracement to the 4 EMA. All right, short trade to the downside. And that's it. Yep, those are your whispers for September 11th. And I know that this is a really tough day for so many of you out there who have lost loved ones. I know I've lost a lot of people as well coming from New York. Just can't believe it's been, 18 years, right? Yeah, I hope we never have another situation like that. Just awful. I do pray for those families to heal and that it never happens again. And to all those that risk their lives, going into those burning buildings. God bless everybody.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.